Hi guys, my name is Johan from Restoration.bike, and in this video I'm going to show you how to adjust Magura brakes in a couple of easy to follow steps. My Cannondale Super V came with a set of old style Magura HS22 brakes. And basically Magura brakes haven't changed in the last 2 decades. And after I removed the flaking paint and polished them, they needed to be adjusted like any other rim brake. The process isn't as straightforward as doing a V-brake, but if you know what to do, it isn't that difficult either. The first steps to make sure the brake shoes are the correct height. With all the bolts loosened, you can move the entire piston up and down, moving it either closer to the tire or to the spokes. Don't tighten the bolts just yet, for the next step is to rotate the piston so that it follows the curve of the rim at the correct angle. Sometimes, as was the case with me, the brake shoes are too far removed from the rim, and this means you'll have way too much action needed in the brake lever before actually braking. The entire piston needs to be moved inward towards the rim. And since the piston sits inside the plastic shell, make sure the shell is placed correctly in the clamp. This process can be kind of fidgety because the clamp needs to be loosened extensively for the piston to be able to move inside the shell. And as with a lot of bike repairs, it's about being patient. Make sure the brake shoes are about 2 millimeters removed from the rims. With the brakes in the correct place, you can close the quick release and test if the brake modulation is what you are looking for. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I hope I can welcome you back again for the next video.